So the first question here is given the function, so we have y is equal to the square root of 5, and we're raising this to the 4t, so square root of 5 to the 4t all divided by 10, and we're told to write this in the form y is equal to a b to the t. So a b to the t is the general form of an exponential function. So we have a is our initial value, because if t is 0, b to the 0 is just 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1. So we get b to the 0 is 1, and then a times 1 is just a. So a is our initial value, and then b is our growth factor. So y equals a b to the t is our initial value times our growth factor to a power. So right now we have the square root of 5 to the 4t over 10. Well, we could think of this as just a 1/10. We can go ahead and rip out, because it really is a 1 in front of square root of 5. We can pull out a 1/10 and write this as y is equal to 1/10 times the square root of 5 to the 4t. Okay, but we still don't have this in the form y equals ab to the t. Right now it's in the form y equals ab to the 4t. So we have, looking at in our exponent, we have a product, or we have 4 times t. Now, 4 times t, a product in the exponent. If we have a power to a power, we go ahead and multiply our exponents together. So, square root of 5 to the 4t, we can write as square root of 5 to the 4th to the t, right? Because that's the square root of 5 to the 4t, right? Square root of 5 to the 4th to the t. We multiply our exponents and just get square root of 5 to the 4t, and we still have a 1/10 out here in front. So what is square root of 5 to the 4th? That's square root of 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5. So square root of 5 is irrational, but square root of 5 times square root of 5 is just going to be 5, because square root of 5 is the number that we square to get 5. So square root of 5 times square root of 5 is just 5, and then times another square root of 5 is going to be, well, 5 times square root of 5, but then times another square root of 5. So square root of 5 times square root of 5 is just 5, and square root of 5 times square root of 5 is again 5. So we have 5 times 5, which is going to be 25. So therefore, square root of 5 to the 4th is just 25. We can write this as 1/10 times 25 to the t, and now it's in the form y equals a b to the t. So what is a? It's just 1/10. A here, the initial value is 1/10, and our growth factor b is equal to 25. All right, hope that made some sense. Calculator, take care.